Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next diecast. So for today's unboxing, I'm going to be unboxing this Maisto Nissan 350Z. So I got this off of Amazon. I had a gift card, so I decided to spend part of it on this particular model. I've actually been trying to find a Nissan 350Z for a while for my collection. This one's actually been discontinued for a few years now, so again, I was kind of surprised to find it on Amazon. You can tell it's an older model because of the box and everything like that, and it's obviously been they banded shut the hood and trunk again. I guess the shipping straps were removed at one point and they put them back on. But I'm excited to see what this model's like. Let's go ahead and get started here. It's Maisto's older box, from like the early 2000s. It was just kind of a basic black box with like the car name on the sides and in the front here. And it looks like, oh yeah, there's a nameplate too. Sometimes they don't include those on their bases, but this one actually has that, so that's a nice extra feature there. Underneath it just kind of has a diagram of the car and like what features it has and what opens and everything. All right. Fortunately, there's no tape to cut this time, so that's a good thing to see. We'll see how easy this opens. Oh look, it looks like it can just pull right out. So just gonna pull that out. All right, it's out of the box now. It took a bit of effort to get it out because I had to pull it from one end again, so. All right, we'll go ahead and unscrew it from the base now. Let's get the typical Maisto screws down there. I've actually always been interested in the Nissan 350Z. It was actually one of my first favorite cars as a kid when I first got into cars. So I've been trying to add a model to my 1/18 scale collection for a while of the car. But I think it was a few years ago, Maisto actually took it out of their catalog. So then it got harder to find and everything. And I've been, periodically checking Amazon for like good deals on it and everything. This one was slightly more expensive at like $40-ish, but I mean, I had the gift card, so some of that price got taken off. And for being a discontinued model, I'd say it was worth that price. All right, I'll take this away. All right, and then here is our model. Let's take off these bands. All right. Wow, I've always liked this orange color on the Z. It looks really, really good. It's got a bit of dust on it and everything, but it should clean up nicely. All right, there's our unboxing for today. Nissan 350Z by Maisto. Looking forward to doing a review on it and everything, definitely. All right, thanks for watching.